Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miranda Mabode here, bringing beauty to your screen. You already know the vibes. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. If this is your first time of seeing this fine face, welcome. So guys, you already know why I'm so happy. It's makeup day. You already know by the title, by the thumbnail, what we're gonna do today. So basically, let's just get right into it. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. For all of you that I'll be sharing my link, thank you guys so much. I do not take it for granted. As of now that I'm creating this video, I'm on 630 subscribers, and that actually means a lot to me for someone that can be off and on this app. So I am really grateful. Thank you guys so much. So let's get right into this video, okay? I'm already gonna have to moisturize my face. My lip balm is on, everything looking up pink. So I'm just going to go in with this now, just to prime my face, because like I said, I moisturize and I do not prime. Those are two different things. Moisturizer is different from primer. Sorry if I look towards the direction my mirror is this way, so please bear with me. Moisturizer is different from primer. Like I said, they are not the same thing. Do not be deceived, my people. Do not be deceived. I don't know if I'm the only one, but there are days where I start to make up and I do not even know what I'm going to do going into the makeup. I just know I want to do makeup. That's just how it is for me. Okay, so for my primer, I use Face Studio Prime from Maybelline. For my foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fits Me. I really love this Maybelline foundation, probably because it's lightweight, matte. Like, I can literally apply this foundation and it's like I did not even apply anything. Like, the consistency is very good. It's very lightweight. So I usually use sponge. I don't know why I'm using brush today, but we will see how that goes. Let's see how it goes. If you have an issue picking your foundation shade, guys, I would always recommend you just go to their store to buy. See how it blends into my skin. That's like one of the things that I love the most about this foundation, how it just blends into the skin, and not a lot of work. I never have to go twice, just one, and I'm good. I'm going to be using this one, Glam. Just going to use a little here and a little here. Use this Zaron. This is in the light color AZ05. I'm going to use this one in my inner eye, but I think I want to blend this one out first before applying this. Another thing is, when you apply your concealer, especially for light concealer like Zara and like this one, do not blend it out immediately. I like to sit for a couple of minutes, because I've been intentionally talking to this for sit. Let's sit for a couple of minutes so it gives a fuller coverage. If you apply it and brush out immediately, it doesn't really give the effect that you would want to get. So I'm going to go in now with this one, just here. So a little bit here, a little bit here, and then probably here. For my contour, I'm going in with this one. Put a little bit here. Stop bringing your contour down here. Like, what's the purpose? Like, take it up. You're trying to define your face and define your face. Don't do all that. It doesn't look nice. Are you seeing the coverage? Are you seeing how it's looking? Another thing, yeah, guys, when you want to do makeup or when you're learning makeup, I don't feel you need to like rush the process. Like, take your time. Before I started makeup school, not like I ever went to makeup school, and be realistic, I went to 2 weeks makeup class. Actually, I was actually prompted to go for that 2 weeks makeup class, because then in school it was more like people knew you could do makeup, but they don't just respect you or give you that acknowledgement because they feel like you've not gone to like a proper makeup studio to learn. So it's almost like you really don't know what you're doing, you're just playing around. But which was a very bad thing actually. It was a very, very bad thing, but at the same time I kind of liked it because it prompted me to like go to the school and get certification and all of that, which I'm glad I did. I'm actually very glad I did. But 90% of the things that I know when it comes to makeup as at then, even now, I learned from YouTube. Like, so I can set my face properly. Like, guys, I learned from YouTube. I watched YouTube video a lot. So if you feel you can't afford makeup school at the moment, guys, that's why I'm here. Just subscribe and be watching. Just, if you can't afford makeup school, at least just have data to just watch videos basically. Because when I say this, people feel like I'm lying and I'm just trying to like put their legs and all. Makeup is not that hard. It's not that hard actually. Guys, are you seeing the way my face is looking? Like everything blended out. Like I did not even like have to do too much. So just going with a little bit of powder in your under eye, just to give it like a proper definition. Always try to dust off the excess. Don't just pack it and put it. It doesn't look nice, guys. That's why you tend to have bakey face or whatever that thing is called. Just a little bit. Shake it. Just a little bit goes a long way. I know. I'm meant to use a lighter shade for this. But when I was buying this, they told me this is the lightest shade for this particular brand. I don't know how true that is, but this is what I have to work with. And you know I'm going to make it work, you know. So just going to do this a little bit here. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this from Huda Beauty. So you guys can see, but yeah, I'm going to go in with this one. Just dust up the excess. Let me explain something. Let me come closer so you guys will get me. When doing eyeshadow, you don't have to do a lot. Trust me, except it's you that just want to be dramatic. You don't have to do a lot. So I'm going in now. Just little. Just take it in and out. Bring it down here. Bring it down here. Can you see that? Just then take it up a little bit. Let's go in with black just here. It's a different brush now. Just the outer area. Just the outer area. Are you seeing where I'm putting it? I'm not taking it everywhere. I'm just dropping it down here. Down here. Down here. I'm going to clean the excess off now. So I'm going to go back and just work it in. Work it in just a little bit. If it's not dark the way you want, you can go back in, apply a little, and then work that in as well. Do same for the other side. Are you guys saying it doesn't have to be too crazy? Trust me, it doesn't have to be crazy for it to look good. Now with the way this thing is looking, you can decide to put glitter on it. That's very fine. Like that's very fine. Same for the other side. Just a little drop here. You don't have. I'm not brushing. No, just drop it. Drop it on your eyelid. But for the fact that I have like a small eye, like when I put my eye, it goes back in. I'm just going to extend it. go back in more because I want it to be really pronounced. And then just to give it a more defined look. You're done. Like, you don't have to break the bank. Trust me, this was not that expensive. I'm going to go in with this one just to give me a defined look under my eyes. You can also use this to define your upper eyes if you want. Going in with this powder from Maybelline, just to take out this powder that I have here and just apply it over my face. Just go in with Zaron's 3-in-1 palette. Just going to go in with the dark shade now, just to contour my nose properly. These products that I've used throughout this makeup, they are budget friendly. Honestly, guys, they are budget friendly. You don't have to break the bank to look good or to get most of these products, if not even all of the products. Just to give your nose a more defined look. My blush, I'm using this blush, is CPD blush, basically I made this blush. It has 4 shades, so I'm going to go in with the 2. I kind of like to mix both together. Smile. Put a little on the nose, and then here. Take it up, don't bring it down. My lip I'm going to use red, but first I'm going to define my lip. Setting spray, of course. So I'm going with my bronzer from this palette. This is the favorite one. This is my favorite one, and it's broken. I don't even know how, but any look you want me to create, please let me know, because I think I am so used to one type of makeup. It's so hard for me to diversify at this point. But give me something, challenge me, send it to my Instagram, share it with me, and I will be so happy to try it out. And I'm really pleased with how this makeup turned out. I hope you learned something. If you missed any part, just and go and watch it. Okay, this is pretty much it for this, guys. I hope this video was helpful. You already know what to do. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video.